Tears wash my face as my lips unturned your name. When I saw your light for the first time, I feel deep love for you in my heart. When I hear about you, O Muhammad, Assalamu alayka ya Rasulallah. Assalamu alayka Habibi ya Habiballah. Assalamu alayka ya Rasulallah.